Queens. Okay, so this is going to be a quick product review. This is going to be on the Live Clean shampoo and conditioner that I mentioned in my previous video. For those of you who've been following, you know that Real Queens is coming up with a natural shampoo conditioner. So, but that's in the works right now. We are working on making it absolutely perfect, better than anything else that I've ever tried. So, yes. That is why I'm not selling that yet on the site, because I have been getting questions about the Real Clean shampoo conditioner. Now, for the meantime, I've been using the Live Clean, like I mentioned in the other video. There's two types that I've been using. I've been using the Live Clean Fresh Water Moisturizing Conditioner and Shampoo. And this one is blue. It smells amazing. It's very nice, fresh, nice smell. Very, very nice smell. So it smells really, really good. These are, the shampoo is 98% plant ingredients. The conditioners are 96% plant ingredients. So there are preservatives in here. Color and fragrance. So preservative, color, and fragrance is unnatural in these products. Everything else is plant ingredients. They have certified organic botanicals in them, plant-derived, pure vegan, paraben-free, and sulfate or SLS free. So very, very good. There's no silicones or anything in here, no parabens, so you don't have to worry about all that stuff. Very, very moisturizing, makes my hair feel really nice and soft. I use them together. I've never used one without the other, so I would recommend using them both together. So yes, that is the moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. The other one is the Live Clean Exotic Nectar Argan Oil Restorative Shampoo and Conditioner. So these ones, amazing. Once again, I actually used these ones last night. So these aren't my versions, okay? I just purchased these, so that's why they're full. But my moisturizing one is pretty much done, so I went out and I got the argan oil one because I wanted to try the argan oil. I love argan oil and it's really good for your hair, it has amazing properties, so I decided to try this one this time around. And this one, same thing. The shampoo is 98% plant ingredients and the conditioner is 96% plant ingredients. Both, again, pure vegan, paraben-free, SLS sulfate-free, and yeah, so this one's from the Moroccan collection. So yes, Moroccan argan oil in this one. Amazing, amazing, amazing products. Love, love, love them. I washed my hair, was it the night before last? So I washed my hair the night before last with this one, and I used the conditioner. I left it in for a while. I actually did a little video clip on that, so I'll be posting that soon. And then I followed up with my regular routine, which is just with the after I left the conditioner on, I kind of did like the whole greenhouse effect thing, put on my plastic cap, put on my head tie, kept that on for a pretty long time, went and ran some errands and stuff, and then I took it out and I rinsed it out. My hair felt really nice and soft, and then I followed up with my Real Queen stimulating oil and my Real Queen soy butter. So yep, that's pretty much it, and this is how my hair is looking, nice and soft and fluffy and clean. And they are not stripping at all. You know, even though this one's the moisturizing one, this one still didn't strip my hair completely. It felt really, really nice. So yeah, definitely recommend. I will be posting them on the site, so they are going to be available for purchase today, because I have been getting a lot of questions about these products. People are asking, you know, when can we buy them? When can we buy them? When are you going to post them? So I'll post them today, since I got so many inquiries about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to come to you guys really, really quickly and let you guys know that these are absolutely amazing. I've used them in my hair, baby's hair. Even my mom used this one yesterday, and she really, really liked it. She has type 4, I'd say type 4C hair, type 4BC hair. So yeah, she doesn't really have a curl. She more has the zigzag type of hair. I'm not too sure what the type system is, but I'm pretty sure it's like 4B, 4C. So, and she used it. She used the argan oil one, and she loved it. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. If you do have any questions, you can email me at realqueenshaircare@gmail.com. You know, check out our website, www.realqueens.net, which is where the products will be posted. And what else? You can still join our Ning, www.realqueens.ning.com, to join our ever-going challenge, the Greenhouse Effect Challenge. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and blessings and love to all the Real Queens.